Today I will show you step by step how to use Bendio effect in After Effects. Not only that, I will also show you the difference between Bendio effect and After Effects built in Bend Effects. Okay, now let's go. First, create a new composition and give it a name. I'm calling it Bendio. Import an image you want to use. We need to separate the parts of image we want to animate. In this case, we need to separate stems and leaves. We can do this with masking. Change the layer name to stem in timeline. Create a mask for stem and move the anchor point to the bottom. Now duplicate the stem layer and give it a name. Left leaf. Delete the mask from this layer and create a new mask for it. Now move the anchor point to the bottom right of leaf from where it starts moving. Now repeat these steps for the right leaf. Duplicate the layer, give it a name, and delete the old mask. Now create a new mask for it. Adjust the masks according to your need. As you can see, stem and leaves are separated. We have them on different layers. Now we can animate them. First, apply Bendio effect on stem layer. Set start and end point of Bendio like that. Now adjust the bend value. You will see the stem bending. Adjust start and end point according to your liking. Add keyframes for bend and check the animation. Now animate the scale value so it looks like growing from the ground. Apply Easy Ease for smooth animation. Okay, now, copy this expression. Hold down the Alt key and click the Bend Effect watch icon. This will allow you to paste the expression. I'll provide the expression in the description. Now check the animation. This will give a smooth bounce effect to our bend effect. Select the first keyframe and apply Easy Ease. Select Scale Keyframes and open Graph Editor. Adjust the curve like that. Now select the first keyframe of Bend Effect. Open Graph Editor and adjust the curve in this way. Last keyframe should be linear for expression to work. Check the animation and make changes if you want. Now we want leaves to follow the stem. For that, select the stem layer, go to Attach Points, and adjust the position of Attach Point 1 to the end of the stem like that. Now select the Attach Point to 1, because we have adjusted Attach Point 1 only. Now click on Generate Null. You can see the null is created at that location. Okay. Now select both leaf layers and parent them to the null layer. Check the animation. Leaves will follow the stem now. Now we need to apply Bendio effect to leaves. First, apply it to the left leaf. Adjust the start and end points. Check the bend effect. Add keyframes for animation and adjust the values. Add scale keyframes so it gives a growing leaf look. Apply Easy Ease to keyframes. Again, copy the expression, hold down the Alt key, click the Bend Watch icon and paste the expression. Easy Ease the first keyframe and open the graph. Adjust the curve like that. Ending must be linear for expression to work. Adjust the curve for scale as well. Adjust the keyframe position in timeline for better animation. Now, copy the keyframes and paste them to other leaf layer. Adjust start and end points. If you see any cutting like this, increase the width ratio. Adjust other settings if you want to. That's it, guys. Our Bendio effect is ready. Before we end this video, I want to show you the difference between Bendio effect and After Effects built-in bend effects. Apply Bendio effect to this image. We can adjust the start and end points. We can also fix these cutting areas easily by increasing the width ratio. Duplicate the layer and apply CC Bender effect. It has top and base points like start and end point in Bendio. But as you can see, we cannot achieve the result we want. Check all the styles if you want. Okay, now, apply CC Bended effect. It also has start and end points. But when we apply bending, there is this weird cutting, and we are not getting the results that we are easily getting with Bendio effect. But yes, I agree. All effects have their pros and cons, so use them according to your need. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video. Cheers!